Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about this premium watch face for Galaxy Watch Ultra. The name is USA Florencia and it's an absolute beauty. Theme of this watch face by default goes very well with the orange band from Samsung, so I really like it. Now let's take a look at some of its elements. So we've got the hour here, we've got minutes here, and then we've got this moving second strip which I really like. And then at the top we've got battery percentage, heart rate, and day and date. Now let's take a look at its always on display version. So it becomes all black but shows you all the essential elements of this watch face. If we go in customizations, so we have minutes style, so you can change the color of this minutes strip and totally change the look and feel of this watch face. So let's go with this one. Then we have seconds style, so you can go black and white. I really like black, so we'll go with that. And then you can change the color theme of these elements. I'll go with original. And then finally the last thing is shortcuts and complications that you can add. So if you go in here, there is a huge list of complications to choose from. And if we go back, this is the new look. Now we have changed the orange accents to black and dark gray, which I really like. And once again, it's a beautiful watch face. It's a premium watch face. The link is in the description. Go ahead and download it and have fun, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.